Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I'd like to answer a question I get from people who call me sometimes about legal insurance and bankruptcy. As you may know, there are a number of companies offering legal insurance as an employee benefit, and basically what this provides is that if you have a legal issue, you can speak to a lawyer either for no cost or at a discounted cost, and if you need to buy services, there's a pre-negotiated price and so forth. And so sometimes I get calls from people saying, do you take such and such legal plan? And basically, here's the issue with it, is that my experience has been that most of these legal plans don't really cover very much. I mean, basically, they may offer to pay about half the going rate for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and maybe even less of the going rate for a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So I'm really not inclined to take those cases because, again, I don't mind discounting a little bit, but I'm not going to take half my fee to get from a legal plan. So what ends up happening is I think a lot of people who use their legal plans end up with a lawyer maybe who doesn't do bankruptcy very much, who dabbles in it, or maybe who's going to learn it for the first time. And again, you get what you pay for in that situation. So again, I'm not a big fan of these legal plans for bankruptcy purposes. I will speak to anybody, typically at no charge or whatever the legal plan pays, to give them overall advice. But when it comes to actually filing bankruptcy, my experience has been that these legal plans don't really pay enough to make it worth my while to do it. And that's just the reality. Again, I've got certain costs associated with representing somebody, and I'm just not going to do it for half the going rate. That's just the way it is. So anyway, if you've got a legal insurance and you want to talk about something, talk about an issue, feel free to give me a call. But if you are looking for really, really deep discounted legal services, I would tell you you're going to have to probably take your chances with somebody who maybe doesn't know, hasn't been doing it very long, and maybe is prepared to accept the very low fees offered by the some of these legal insurance policies. So anyway, I hope that's been helpful. And again, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. If you have any questions about Chapter 7, Chapter 13, please let me know. Thanks.